Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're gonna have some fun because summer is right around the corner and I have an amazing recipe to keep you nice and cool throughout those warm days. So today you're gonna join me and we're gonna blend up some popsicles. The first popsicle that I'm making is strawberry, banana, and orange juice. So refreshing. The next popsicle is just blueberry, yogurt, and some honey. Honey. The honey's a little hard to do, we'll do that last. Get them blueberries in. Oh hey, Graham. Graham, you just distracted me. You just distracted me, so say what's up. He's my assistant chef in the kitchen. Okay, Graham, I'm back to cooking. I'm just gonna try and get a little bit of that honey in the BlendJet. Blend this bad boy up. And last but not least, it's just a mango water kiwi popsicle. Put my mangoes in. Mango. That was super easy. All we gotta do is pour it into our molds. For the last one, I thought I would just mix all of them together and make a little, let's call it a mystery box. A mystery pop. Now it's time to stick them in. That's it, guys, and now I just put it in the freezer for about 5 to 6 hours and let it freeze, and they'll be perfect for later tonight or tomorrow morning. Guess what time it is? It's boat time. It is time to take my ice pops out of the freezer. Wow. Check those out. Look how delicious they look. I know you wish you were here right now to eat them. You know, the first one I'm going for is going to be my blueberry yogurt. This is good. This is really good. Okay, you don't want to watch me eat an ice pop, but can't wait for you guys to try this. Probably all over my face right now. I'm gonna go eat all these. Okay, bye. Excuse me.